How you going, guys? Going to show you how to do a nutsert without the tool. So you're going to need a M5 bolt and nut, 2 washers, and the nutsert. And then the M5 nutsert takes a 7mm hole. Whack that in the hole. You're going to need also to mention, make sure you got a bit of thread exposed. Alright, chuck that in. You're going to need a 8mm spanner. Ratchet one would be better, but that's all I got. And just a socket. So you want to keep this head stationary while you twist this one. Alright, and then it hasn't set yet, it goes like a rivet. Now it's bit. Now if you go too much, you'll fucking ruin the threads. So you just gotta do it by feel. If I feel that I'm doing it too tight, I'll back the bolt out and just check the thread's still good, because you can just pull, because these are aluminium rivets. You should use whatever you're putting it into, the same sort of rivet. So if it's, yeah, see, that's still spinning, so it hasn't fully bit yet. So if it's an aluminium rivet, it should go into alley, steel into steel, and stainless into stainless. I think alley goes alright into, stainless goes alright into alley, but see, now that's it's in there. You can just look down the hole and see if it's puffed out alright. Give it a tiny bit more, I reckon. And once you put something in there and you tighten it up, if you go too tight, you strip out the threads. But if you just tighten things up, it'll also puff it out as well. The only thing is, you don't want it to spin, otherwise to drill it out, it's a pain in the ass. Right, 1 second, I'll figure this out. Give it one more for luck. Yeah, I reckon that's it. And that's how you do it. So I drilled a hole there and a hole there in my roof rack to mount some electric shit. So there you go. Cheers, guys.